Hi, this is John with WTI, and I just love to find easy to do recipes for me just to cook at home. And this Barilla pasta just does a great job for me. So the fact that you can have al dente, like great sensation, this feels like high quality pasta. I've never been to Italy, but I'm pretty sure this is the closest thing that you will feel into the feeling of a pasta. High quality. You don't have to cook it for too long. It's already al dente and good to the filling in 10 to 11 minutes. And I did it with a lot of tomato sauce. It's just easy to do, high quality. This is like the best thing. And the shape, it's just like the shape. It looks like a bow tie. Like I was eating mini bow ties, and it's just a funny way. If you got kids, or if you got like any of the little guys visiting your house, I'm pretty sure they're going to enjoy a lot having different shapes as their pasta and will still remain the high quality and the great flavor. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.